Here's exactly how to zoom in on Clipchamp, step by step. Click on your video, then go to the right, click on Effects. Search for Zoom, then click on Slow Zoom. So you will see Position. This is where you can choose which part of the video you want to zoom in. So by default, you can see it's in the middle. So if I play the video, you can see that it is slowly zooming in to the middle of this video. Now, if say I want to zoom in to the top left corner, I click on the top left square. And now when I play the video, you can see it slowly zooms in to the top left corner. And if say I want to zoom in to the bottom, I click on the bottom square and it will zoom in to the bottom part of the video. Now, what if you want to zoom in faster? You can increase the speed over here. You can drag it like this. And now when I play the video, you can see it zooms in faster. And if I increase the speed even more, like this, you can see it zooms in even faster. Now, what if you want to zoom out? Just go to reverse, click on this box. So say I want to zoom out from the bottom part of the video. I click on the bottom square, then go to speed, and you can increase this to choose exactly how much you want the video to zoom out. Now, if you increase the speed too much, you start to see these types of black bars. So we don't really want that. So say I drag it to around here. That means this video will start like this and then it will zoom out. Let me show you. And if say this is too much, then we can lower the speed like this. And let's say I drag it to around here. That means the video will start like this and then it will slowly zoom out. So that's how to zoom in or zoom out on Clipchamp.